Hello everyone, it's Victory and today I'm going to show you another great strategy. When I enter the market, I always decide on a strategy I will use today because it's very important in order to start properly and see the market better. Now please like this video and write any comments below so more traders could easily find this video, and make sure to subscribe because there is always a lot of useful stuff here. So in this video, I will tell you how to trade correctly in situation when the price doesn't bouncing off the resistance or support level. That is exactly that case when the price doesn't form a zigzag chart but going constantly up and down. In other words, it's basically fluctuating. In fact, this is a completely different situation, but it's definitely worth your attention. In the previous video, we discussed another one where we make trades at a different price level. You can watch this video on my channel. It's gonna be also very useful for you. So today we're gonna look for the currency pairs where the price is in constant motion. That is, it is almost constantly rising or falling. I have already opened the Pocket option and made a $400 deal. Just a clear example of the constant upward trend. Now we're looking at an hour time frame. We can observe a slight drop in price but an obvious uptrend line. So let's switch to 30 minutes. Here we see the same situation but in more details. The price is slightly bouncing off the support level and slightly falling and bouncing off the resistance level as well. Each support level is higher than the previous one, just as each resistance level is higher than the previous one. In 3 minutes time frame, the price rises above the previous level. If we observe the chart, we can already see that the price has risen above the previous level. We can observe a slight resistance of the price range. That is, with this strategy, we're interested specifically in those currency pairs where the price is constantly rising or falling at the moment. There is not much time left to close our deal. And our balance is $368. Immediately we make a deal for higher price. The price continues its rise. We also observe a confident growth of the price. Our chart is quite confidently going upwards. Here in this strategy, I use 3 minutes time frame in the transaction. 3 minutes is just the time during which the price will surely manage to rise above the previous level and don't have time to fall to the support level. We observe a slight deviation of the price. The price is falling a little. But we can see also a steady rise. Let's make the chart a little bit smaller so we see an absolutely ascending line. So our task here is to find currency pairs in which price will constantly be in an upward movement or downward movement long enough. We remember that the price cannot move up all the time. That is, we can also see this small deviation of the price on the chart. Now our red candle appears and the price is falling a little bit. But in 3 minutes, it will definitely manage to rise above the previous level. And we earn $368. So our task is to switch between the currency pairs and find the appropriate charts. Here the price bouncing off support and resistance levels and changes its value significantly. The fluctuations are quite large. Moving on to the next currency pair, the situation is similar. The price values also fluctuate greatly on reversals. Thus, our task is to find such a currency pair which will either fall or constantly rise. When using this strategy, we will be interested in this particular variant of the chart, and the chart which is not suitable for this strategy is where the price quite often or significantly bouncing off the support levels or resistance levels. Whenever you start trading, decide which strategy you are going to use. You can first study the charts of several currency pairs and see how prices are behaving at the moment and which graphical situations are more interesting in the moment in order to determine the strategy you will use. Once again, I emphasize the fact that this strategy is only suitable for such situations where the price is in a constant growth or in a constant decline. So choose the number of the transactions suitable for you, and I recommend the 3 minutes time frame for your transactions. I hope you found this video interesting and useful for you, and there is actually nothing complicated here, so any trader will be able to understand it. And my personal ask is to like this video and write any comments to get this video to the top of YouTube search. Now we came to the end of this video. I wish you successful trades and see you in the next video. Goodbye.